welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Guys, in this video we are going to be doing simple recipe. Simple breakfast recipe is just what we are going to be doing. Over here I have some slices of bread, so I'm going to be needing about two from each side. I have 3 eggs here, butter, cheese. I don't really have the the normal slice, so I have to slice from the one I have. And over here I have a pinch of salt. So we are just going to get started. And over here is my frying pan. Guys, we are going to start by adding our butter into the pan. I'm just going to allow it to hot for just a few minutes while that is doing. So I just added the salt in, so I'm just going to whisk. So guys, what I'm going to do now is just to add the beaten eggs. And I'm going to be adding my sliced bread in then. So the next stage now is adding my chips. And I'm just going to add it just like so. Like so. So yummy, yummy, yummy. So that is it, guys. And if you know you are hungry, breakfast is ready. Come on, guys, let's come and work it together. Bye. See you guys in my next video.